Adding online picture. Picture can be added to a slide to make your presentation more interesting and entertaining. It also helps to keep the audience focused. An online picture can be added to the slide in your presentation. Following are the steps. Display the slide in which you want to add an online picture. Change the layout of the slide to the one that includes a placeholder for an online picture. Click on Online Pictures. In this example, we are adding online pictures using Content Placeholder. But you can also add online picture by clicking on the Online Pictures option from the Insert tab. Display the slide in which you want to add an online picture. Click on Insert tab. Click on Online Pictures. The Insert Pictures dialog box appears. Type a keyword or phrase in the Bing image search box. Click the search icon. You can use the scroll bar to see all the displayed matches. Click on the image to add to the slide. Click on Insert. The online picture is inserted and the picture tools appear in the Format tab. You can resize or move the picture. To deselect the picture, click anywhere else in the work area. Adding a picture. A picture stored on your computer can also be added to the slide in your presentation. Create the third slide and add text in it. Change the layout of the slide to the one that includes a placeholder for a picture. Click on Picture icon to add a picture to the slide. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Navigate these areas to find folder or drive containing picture that you want to use. Click on the picture you want to add to the slide. Click on Insert to add the picture to the slide. The picture is inserted and picture tools appear on the Format tab. You can resize or move the picture. To deselect the picture, click anywhere else in the work area. Note, in this example, we have added pictures using Content Placeholder. But you can also add pictures by clicking on the picture icon from the Insert tab. Adding a table. Table is used to organize data in rows and columns. You can add table to your slide. You can use a content placeholder to insert a table and then type data into the table cells. By default, most of the table styles assume that you will enter column headings in the top row of the table. If you need row headings, add an extra column to hold them. Create the fourth slide, add text and change the layout that includes a placeholder for a table. In the Content Placeholder, click on the table icon. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Type the number of columns that you want to appear in the table. Type the number of rows that you want to appear in the table. Click on OK. PowerPoint inserts table into the slide and displays Table Tools tab in the ribbon. You can click here to change the table style. Click inside the first table cell and type your data. You can press Tab key to move from one table cell to the next. Continue typing the table cell data to fill the table. After you finish typing the table data, click anywhere outside the table area to deselect the table. Note, in this example, we have added table using Content Placeholder. But you can also add table by clicking on the table icon from the Insert tab. Adding a chart. Charts tell a story with a brief viewing and can convey statistical information quickly. In PowerPoint, you can insert a chart using an Excel worksheet. You can type your own chart data and choose the type of chart that you want to display. Create the fifth slide. Add text and change the layout that includes a placeholder for a chart. In the content placeholder, click on Chart icon. The Insert Chart dialog box appears. Click on a chart category. Click on a chart type. The preview of selected chart type appears. Click on OK. Note, in this example, we have added chart using content placeholder. But you can also add chart by clicking on the chart icon from the Insert tab. PowerPoint immediately displays a sample of the chart type on the slide. The Excel program window opens with a sample of the chart data. Replace the data with your chart data that you want to illustrate. You can press Tab key from keyboard to move from cell to cell. When finished entering chart data, click anywhere in the chart area to update the data. You can click on Edit Data button to edit the chart anytime. You can click on Quick Layout button to change the chart style. Click on Close button to close the Excel window. Adding a SmartArt. You can use SmartArt graphics to illustrate a process or structure. PowerPoint offers many SmartArt layouts to help you communicate with your audience graphically. It shows you some shapes to which you can add your own text. Create the sixth slide. Add text and change the layout that includes a placeholder for a SmartArt. In the content placeholder, click on SmartArt icon. Choose the SmartArt graphic dialog box appears. Click on any SmartArt category. Click on any SmartArt type. You can see the preview of selected type in this area. Click on OK. PowerPoint adds the graphic to your slide and displays the text boxes. Type text into the text box. Click outside the SmartArt to view it. You can format the SmartArt by using SmartArt tools. Note, in this example, we have added SmartArt using content placeholder. But you can also add SmartArt by clicking on the SmartArt icon from the Insert tab.